Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I have made some progress. If you have not seen my last video, go check it out. It's up in the corner right now. But this is part two of my collection room overhaul. As you could see in the first video, I had a lot of plans of what to do to redo this room and make it YouTuber friendly and set up everything. So I've got an update for you. So let's go check it out and show you what I've done so far. All right, so since the last video, I made a couple of changes. In the beginning, I had said that all of my detolfs that were actually on this side of the room were going over to here. Well, I measured the wall and it was only like 6 inches difference. So I went ahead and I broke down all the bestas and put everything up there. The statues are in no order. Don't pay attention to them. What I plan on doing is once I get everything situated, everything's going to have doors on it. It's going to be lit up, and I'll have all the statues between there and what's going to be on the other wall. Now the plan is in the back room to still go ahead and have all my printers. But hey guys, check this out right here. So this is the table I was telling you all about. I did make a short of it, but I broke those two double bestas down. I got the plywood top. I'm going to trim it out. I'm going to paint it black. And then I'm going to probably put some sort of graphic on the top of it. But these will all be lit up all the way around. And I put a single Besta over here. I figured what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a solid door on it with a shelf in it so I could put stuff in it. Some of my books, manuals, and things like that. But this is where pretty much everything is going to be filmed at. And so you can't argue with that backdrop. So this is where I'm going to be doing all of my YouTube videos and live streams and all this other stuff. Still a ways to go, but it is definitely making some progress. The other thing I am excited to show you is my paint setup. I have moved everything out of the room that I had in my house, and it is all out here now. It is definitely not 100%, but everything is out here. I'll tell you what I did. So on the wall here, I actually did, I put up some metal pegboard because it was sturdier and I was just afraid of the weight. And I used these, actually they're nail polish holders that I bought off of Amazon, and I used some S-hooks on here to hold them onto the pegboard. I did that because the S-hooks are easily removable. I can move this thing up and down if I want to and adjust it really quickly. But this, this is still really not all of my paint. I still have quite a bit. But this will allow me to have everything here in front of me, because in my other room I had it all over the place. And as you can see, I still got a lot of assorting to do, a lot of you know, just dialing it in here, I guess you could say. But got my Vortex mixer here. I finally got it in one of those. And you know, I love me some Punisher. I got the little light here. I've had this thing for like 10 years and I've just never used it. So nice little neon lamp. I've got plenty of lights here. I got here for the camera phone. And then just over here, I've got, you know, my model set up, and this is where I'm basically going to be doing a lot of my prep and paint. And I'm probably going to go ahead and get a couple of more lights to, you know, brighten it up a little bit more. So this right here is my temporary paint booth. I don't have it all put together yet. This is just a really large box right here, but I paint large models, so I'm going to need a lot of room. This is only temporary. I plan on making a permanent one, probably made out of wood or metal. And this extraction system here is something, I will make a video on this to show you guys how this works and operates. It will work really great for paint or for your printers. To help out with fumes and everything. So we're going to make a video on this to show you a little bit more in depth. But once I get all this hooked up, I will be able to start painting out here. And I'm excited about it. Up here, I do have one of my little displays that I went ahead and put up. You know, I love me some Punisher and I love the Netflix series. So this is kind of my Netflix setup. Some beautiful pieces that I printed and painted from Vengeance Studios and Bow 87, whatever his name is. And these couple right here are some of the first pieces I printed from Wicked 3D. But yeah, these are some really, really nice pieces. And in the back here, I've got 3 paintings that I had purchased a long time ago. They're original paintings from a gentleman named Chris Cargill. He's a pretty well-known pop culture artist, and they're all certified and everything like that. They're one of a kind, and I thought that would be a pretty good backdrop. So like, for example, this Daredevil piece right here is from Vengeance Studios. This one is from Bow 87. This Kingpin right here is also from Vengeance Studios. And this Punisher here is from Bow 87. So I got equal representation from these guys. They both make some incredible models. And I'm also working on the Vengeance Studios Punisher as well. So the good news also is my shed did come in, so I can build it and get the rest of this stuff out of the room. That way I have more room to organize and sort out everything. And of course, I'll be filming all that footage as well, just in case you might want to see it. So once I have everything set up and running, I'm going to do a final video with the whole tour of the room, showing you all of my collection and showing you everything that I did. And I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. Again, without these guys, I would not be able to do this sort of thing. I mean, this is amazing. We just surpassed 14,000 subscribers. And while that may still be a little fish in a big pond, it means a lot to me, guys, and I really appreciate it. And by the way, we got some new members. Let's check them out here. So let's give a big shout out to my man, James Miller, Walter Taylor, Thaddeus Eskew, Lorenzo Quinones. Maybe I tore that one up. I don't know. Sorry. Sean Burge, Shane Durden, Al Lucioni, Joshua Deaver, DeMarcantu, Mark Anthony Ham, Ray Parker, John Thompson. Thank you all so much for becoming the newest members of my Patreon. Again, if you would like to be included in this community, there is a link below in the description. And there are a few other ways to support the channel. The first being is just watching the videos and sharing with a friend, leaving some comments and a few likes. Or you can go about using my Amazon affiliate links below. No extra cost to you, but I do get a little bit of kickback. These are some of the products that I use in my videos. And we also have that super thanks button below. Go check it out. That's the one-time donation thing to help with the channel. But again, thank you guys so much for being part of the community. This is your channel, man. I am blown away by the support that I've gotten since day one here, guys. And 14,000 subscribers to me is a big deal. So once again, I appreciate all the love and support, all the messages that I get from everybody. I love it when somebody messages me and says how the channel has really influenced them and helped them out. That's what it's all about, guys, is being part of a community, helping each other. And that's what you get in my Discord when you join the Patreon. So I know I didn't end my last video like I normally do, but hey, we're going to do it now. So stay safe out there, get out and create something, print, prep, paint, repeat. And until the next video or the next live stream, we'll see you. Yeah, this side of the room looks great, but it's this side that's giving me a headache.